Hello everybody, in this lecture we're going to look at the RESTful routes automatically provided by Sails from the Blueprint API. We're going to use Postman. You can use any RESTful REST client that you'd like. In my case I'm going to use Postman. So I already installed Postman and I'm going to open up. If you're using Postman the first time you open up, if you don't have an account you can just say skip it. I don't want to create an account at this time kind of thing if you don't want to create one. Anyway, here we are. I'm going to close this and clear everything here. I don't want this. And let's take this out. Just I hit the sidebar. Chrome apps are being deprecated as we mentioned before. So we're using the Postman app. Let's go. So we have a resource called company, remember? So the app is going to be running at HTTP localhost at the port 1337. So let's make sure we have the server running. So I'm going to go to my terminal and I already had my server running. If you want to run a server again, you can again type npm start and the server should run. So because we added a model, we are going to have this warning here. So let me make this bigger so you can see. So as I mentioned before, this is about the migrate strategy. We did not specify in the models.js file. Remember, config/models.js had a migrate configuration thing. So because we created a model, now Sales is asking, hey, how do you want me to deal with the tables in the database and all that stuff? So it has three strategies for migrate. So the first one is safe. So never auto-migrate my databases. I will do it myself. Basically, this is the choice you want to choose for production. That is, don't do anything with the database. Keep it as it is. Don't meddle with it. Now, we have choice number two, alter. Auto-migrate. So if you change something in the schema and, change the table schema, some resource schema, and if you choose this strategy, it's going to try to auto migrate and keep the existing data, and they say it's experimental. Or you can have migrate strategy number three, which is drop. So it's going to drop all the data and rebuild everything from scratch. So be careful if you use this one. It's going to drop everything. All your data is going to be gone. Alright, so in summary, you want to use one, safe, always for production. Don't change anything in the database. If you are in development, you can try using alter if you're always changing your stuff. Alright, so let's go with alter because we're doing development. Oh, let's try again. npm start. And press 2. Okay, so I didn't choose anything and they automatically choose migrate safe. Okay, so let's try again. I'll try alter. There we go. But notice that every time I restart a server, I have to state which migrate you want to use. So that's kind of annoying. So that's why we have to set it up in that file models.js. So let's go back to the text editor here and let's go to config/models.js. Okay, so in the models.js file, all the way down here, we have this migrate here. So let's uncomment this out. So we're going to say explicitly, this is migrate strategy I want to use. In this case, it's using alter. Remember, use safe for production. So because we're doing development, I'm going to use alter. All right, but keep that in mind. Don't forget, use safe for production. Okay, I'm going to save it, and next time we run sales, we left the server, it's no longer going to ask us what migration you want to use because we have explicitly stated now that we want to use this migrate strategy. Alright, so let's go alter and go back to the terminal. Let's clear this and do npm start again. Okay, no prompt, good, very good. So that's it, we got the server running. Now we can finally start playing around with our API.